In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to remove your search history from the Google Play Store, step by step. Watch closely so you don't miss anything. Start by opening the Play Store on your Android device. Once it loads, look up at the top right corner and tap your profile picture. This opens your main account menu. From here, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. A new section will appear with all your account controls and Play Store preferences. Inside Settings, select General. Under this category, you'll see several options, including one called Account and Device Preferences. Go ahead and tap on that. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. At the end of the list, you'll find an option named Clear Device Search History. This is the tool that deletes every search you've made on the Play Store, whether it was apps, games, movies, or anything else you looked up. Tap on Clear Device Search History. A small confirmation window will pop up. Just hit Clear History, and you're done. Your entire Play Store search history is wiped instantly, giving you a cleaner and more private browsing experience. And that's how you delete your Play Store search history in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more simple Android tips.